So the categories that we really, which we brought in were furniture first, which was a very challenging category. Initially, there were, things like mudas and stuff, the crafty kind of things, a few woven chairs and stuff. But when we wanted to make furniture a category, there were challenges. One was the challenge, of course, of supplies, of getting regular supplies. You can't get carpenters to start knocking up furniture if you needed mechanized furniture. So that was getting the right supply chain in place, which we did. It was. Then the other thing was, of course, shipping and storage. The amount of space that furniture needs. And the third challenge was the store display. Furniture needed a completely different size of store. If you wanted to display one bed set and one dining, or one is not enough, 2 dining tables and then benches and chairs, and you needed space. So the size of the stores had to change.
Okay.
But we succeeded. And then, of course, shipping, breakage. Initially when the category was small, we had to ship one bed and let's say one dining table to Bangalore, you could be certain that it would be broken by the time it reached Bangalore. Because it's traveling by road, it's being thrown off in 3 or 4 different shipping points. So then, systems had to be put in. No, I'm sorry, full truckloads will go. Otherwise, furniture won't travel.
Okay.
So things like that had to be done. And then we started doing delivery to the customer, because the customer, how does he take in India? How do you take stuff to your home? So we did home delivery. And Indians are not DIYs. So we said, we will also set it up for you. So there was a whole lot of additional, processes that had to be put into place just because of furniture. But we did it because we were convinced that this was a category. You see, in India, till Fab India, even today, unless it's Pepperfry or Urban, the e-commerce, if a customer today says, I need a dining table, where can he go? There are every city has its local furniture shops. But otherwise, as a retail chain, as a standardized product, Fab India is still the only place where you can go and buy. You can pretty much set up your whole flat if you want. And that facility was not available. And even today, it's not available. So therefore, there was this huge need for this category. And wherever we felt that there was a need, whether it was organics, whether it was body care with natural products, we were very sort of, gung-ho, and we would grab it immediately. Also accessories. Fab India did not really focus on, the decoratives, picture frames, vases, clocks, stuff like that. Because, of the ethos. But once we introduced these categories, they moved brilliantly. So then slowly, now they've become a core part of every store.